Hi everyone, welcome to the third and final part of my new project, which is making the planets out of dough or clay, air drying clay. Now you see I've got two planets left to do now. I've got Uranus, that's how you say it, and Neptune. And if you have a good look at these two are they're big planets. They're still much bigger than Earth, but not as big as Jupiter and Saturn. You got here, oops, focus. See, Uranus has a ring around it, but not everyone realizes that it's a very thin ring, and it's more of a greeny blue color. And Neptune is more of a true blue, but it's got dark blue, light blue, and white. So this shouldn't be too long a video. Hopefully, it's not too hard to make. I've got my three colors, which I'm hoping will be enough to make them light blue, green, and blue. Now I'm going to use light blue mixed with green to make Uranus. Now there is a ring around Uranus, but I'm not going to make it. I think I prefer it without the ring, but it's really up to you if you want to do that, because it's just a white ring. It should be quite easy to do. So Uranus, remember, is bigger than Earth. It's bigger than Earth, but it's not as big as Jupiter. But then, you know, our planets are not to scale. They just can't be to scale because Jupiter and Saturn are so massive compared to Earth. So there you go. Got our blue, and then I'm going to mix it with the green to make that really super pretty green blue colour, which I really like. My favourite colours is that colour. I think it's called like sea foam, which is a mixture of green and blue. So let's take that. This shouldn't be too difficult to make. I think it should be more green than blue, but we don't want it to look like Earth, remember. It's different. It's different. This should be blended in more. Blend it in more like this. Oh, that's pretty. This is really lovely to work with. I've said it in loads of other videos. This clay is just a dream, and it's just really nice. It's easy to stretch and mould, and you know, oh, I think that's nice. I like that. So let's work this in. It's round. Go. Get really squishy and round. I might, you know what? I might make the ring for it purely because my little boy is learning about the planets, and he knows that Uranus has a ring, and he'll get confused if I make it and I don't put a ring. He'll think, well, that's not right, Mum. So let's squish this out. It's only a very thin ring, as you can see there, compared to Saturn's big ring. So we're just going to make it like this, just a very thin one. That is what we did last time. We have to roll it out like that, and then we want to flatten, so it makes it a little bit more sturdy. In fact, I might even make this one more of a thin and rounded ring, just for a bit of a change, because it's not as flat and wide as Saturn's ring, which is very wide and flat, like this. And then join off the excess here. It's very careful. There you go. That is my interpretation of what Uranus is. There you go. What do you think? It's kind of similar, right? It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Oh gosh, I've got some of this. I'm gonna get this. I'll clean it up afterwards. Or you could always, if you need to fix a problem like that, you can always grab a little bit more clay, like in my case the green one, and just repair it like this. Stick it on top, like that, you see? And just cover it up. There you go. Ta-da! Then we've got one more to make. Neptune. Neptune is more blue. There's no green in it, so I think we're gonna be using the rest of the blue, to be honest. So let's just open up the pack. You might as well. Down here. So this is dark blue. Dark blue in the center. I love this blue. It's the perfect royal blue colour. Yeah. Now it's the foil packs are very big. You just get loads and loads of colours, but you do get 12 colours, so that's quite cool. You mix them together to make out one. And yeah, you can do quite a few projects with these. I don't think you need more than that. And then I'm going to mix in some light blue, which by the way isn't actually that different. It's not that different to blue. Can you see? This is light blue. This is dark blue. They're pretty much the same thing, but never mind, we'll get this out. There we go. And then I think it's quite important that we mix in some white. Your Neptune, I believe, is a very, very stormy planet. It's stormy, it's very, very cold because it's so far away from the sun. Yeah. It's so interesting. If you ever watch programs about planets, I think it's just so fascinating. And you can see how all these other planets, you know, there's one that's absolutely made for us, which is perfect for us to live on as a human race, and it's Earth. So let's just roll this, roll. It's pretty, it's so pretty. That's quite whitish, but I don't think that's a problem. Yeah, I like it. What do you think? What's that? Oh, I've got some foil. Pull that out. Got some foil cut in it, but it's okay. I've just tucked it into the centre of Neptune. Roll, 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 roll. And yeah, that'll do me. Can you see? That's my Neptune. So I'm just going to quickly go over all the planets that I've made in this project, which took me about an hour in total because I'm talking at the same time. I'll just show you what I've got. This is Mercury. Oops. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Massive Jupiter. Oh, I feel like a crack. Like I said before, if you feel a crack whilst it's still wet, do smooth it out, don't wait. Jupiter. Don't stick to Mars. Saturn, which is probably the hardest one to make. Saturn. Put it there. Uranus. And Neptune. Sort of to scale. Sort of to scale. Can you see them all? Let me move the camera back. There you go. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So I hope you enjoyed watching these videos, and if you can think of anything else that you think I should make out of clay, could you tell me in the comments? So I'm going to give it 2 days, maybe even 3 days, and by then these should be completely dried out and they'll be fun to play with. So see you next time. Bye.